In today's video, let me show you the way that you can create a Discord account. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. Creating a Discord account is a simple process. For that, you'll either need your email address or your phone number, and you need to be at least 13 years or above. For this video, we're just going to follow the creation process using the desktop, using a web browser. So open up a web browser of your choice and then search for discord.com. Once you search for discord.com, you'll straight away land on this section. You'll also have the option called download in order to download the desktop app. To create an account, click on the login option, which is on the top right. And then it's going to say welcome back. This is the section of logging in. In order to create an account, click on the register button on the bottom. Now, these are the few details you'll need to fill in. You'll need to add in your email address, create a display name, create a new username, and then create a password. So make sure you fill in this information correctly. Once you fill in everything, make sure your password is also strong and also select your date of birth. Once everything is done, you can now click on create account. In the next step is going to verify if you are a human or not. You just need to complete this verification. And as easy as that, your account of Discord now has been created. Once you straight away land on this section, you'll have the option of creating your own servers or starting off from a template. Once your app is now created, make sure you verify your email as well by heading over to your email and then just click on the verify option. So that's all there is in creating an account of Discord. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe if you guys are interested in more informative videos just like this.